Are you looking for the best multimeters in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best multimeters that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Astro AI TRMS 6000 counts digital multimeter. In line with their core philosophy of supporting adventurers, AstroAI's auto-ranging multimeter is designed especially for professionals and DIYers. It is easy to use, safe to operate, and comes with advanced features that enable you to measure nearly everything. Besides its wide range that also covers transistor, temperature, capacitance, frequency, and diode tests, the Astro AI6000 also measures true RMS. Its auto-ranging capability means you do not need to pause your test to turn the knob always. The Astro AI comes armed with double protection and an intelligent anti-burn feature. This is thanks to its built-in F10A divided by 600V and F400M divided by 600V fuse tubes, which are explosion-proof, guarding against overload, and making the multimeter safe across all ranges. The multimeter has a comfortably large display with backlit LCD, which offers better visibility even in dimly lit working conditions. As a plus, the display has a data hold function that enables you to freeze display until you have noted down the information. But perhaps what you may find very cool about the Astro AI6000 is its kickstand and hanging magnet. This makes it easier to place and secure the multimeter at a comfortable angle while taking measurements. If you don't remember much of your electrical symbols, you may find it a little hard using the device. If you dislike noise, the continuity beep may be a little distracting too. That notwithstanding, the Astro AI6000 is our top pick out of the best 11. Its relatively cheap price also makes it very affordable. Up next in the 4th place is the Crenova auto-ranging digital multimeter. Crenova has been in the industry for decades, and they made sure this wealth of experience was reflected in the MS8233D. The multimeter has just about the same functionality as the Astro AI6000 and is very affordable too. It is equipped with a 3.5-digit LCD display with backlight, which improves readability in poorly lit rooms and at night. Just like the Astro AI6000, it has a data hold option that enables you to freeze the display at will. As a plus, the Crenova MS8233D is equipped with a foldable stand at the back for hands-free use. Unlike the Astro AI6000, it also comes with a pouch that makes it easy to store and carry around. You will find the multimeter very useful for a range of tests, including frequency, diode, and AC voltage, current tests. Its auto-ranging capability allows you to select the right range over a variety of components. The multimeter, however, has a slow update time, which may not be a big deal to you unless you are in a hurry and need to conduct a couple of tests. This device may be a little hard to understand, especially if you have little knowledge of electrical symbols and the general industry language. The Crenova MS8233D is a very good option if you need to get one of the best basic multimeters in the market without breaking the bank. The 3rd product on our list is the Fluke 115 digital multimeter, professionally known as the Fluke 115 Field Service True RMS Technician's Multimeter. This device is built especially for field service use, but its ease of operation, compact design, and great capabilities mean it can be used for a range of electrical and electronics tests anywhere. Just like other multimeters in our list, it allows for true RMS measurements in AC loads. It can be used for continuity, capacitance, frequency, and diode test. Fluke 115 has a safety rating of Cat 3600V, which means it's safe to use for distribution wiring, including branches, feeders, and even mains bus circuits. It has high accuracy and can be trusted with sensitive electronic components such as lithium-ion batteries. Just like the Astro AI6000, it comes with a large LCD display equipped with backlight for poor lighting conditions. However, you may find it hard to see the display through certain angles, especially if your position doesn't allow flexible movement. The data hold option is also not so wonderful in the same condition too. Altogether, the Fluke 115 is a great device to use. It may not be our best pick, but it will be hard to find a better digital multimeter in the market for fieldwork as a professional. It is also a little expensive, although you will find it is certainly worth the price. Second on our list is the Etekcity digital multimeter. The Etekcity MSRC600 digital multimeter is very remarkable because it has a clamp meter attached to it. It is also designed to be compact and easy to use both in the field and at home too. The clamp, which is its notable feature, eliminates the need to strip wires, making current measurements easier and safer. All you need to do is isolate the cord, position the clamp properly, and take your reading. Besides the clamp, The MSRC600 has an impressive feature that is absent in most digital multimeters: a low battery indicator. Well, maybe not so impressive, but you will definitely appreciate the elimination of unpleasant battery surprises. It also has an energy conservation feature that shuts down the multimeter to save battery. Of course, it has an auto-ranging capability, just like other digital multimeters on our list. It is suitable for continuity tests, resistance, diode, AC/DC voltage, and AC current. It has a good LCD display, which can be read from a wide range of angles. There is also the data hold function that enables you to save readings temporarily. The Etekcity MSRC600 does not measure DC current. The display lacks a backlight, so you might find it a bit difficult to use at night. The multimeter also will get permanently damaged for readings above 600 V. Altogether, MSRC600 is a good device and is also budget-friendly. It is not our top pick, but the clamp is a feature you may find too important to ignore. Finally, the top product on our list is the KAIWEETS Digital Autoranging Multimeter. If you are looking for a low-budget auto-ranging digital multimeter for use at home, the KAIWEETS HT113B is a good option. It is designed for troubleshooting household and automotive electrical problems. Just like the Etekcity MSRC600, the KAIWEETS HT113B has a low battery indicator and also has the energy conservation feature, which shuts down the device after 15 minutes of inactivity. The multimeter has a large display with backlight, which makes it easy to use even in dimly lit areas. It has a kickstand, making it great for hands-free use. The metal test tips also come with rubber cap protective coverings. As a plus, the multimeter has a pen slot, which comes in quite handy when properly leveraged. Besides the functionality, which is about the same as other multimeters, the HT113B was designed with the safety of the instrument in mind. It has a silicone protective case which prevents the device from getting damaged or cracked when it falls down. While the device has double protection thanks to its double fuse, it is not suitable for voltage measurements above 600 V. The test tips may also get broken if not used properly. The KAIWEETS HT113B is a good option if you need a cheap digital multimeter for home use. The extra features set it apart from other multimeters within the same category in the market. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.